If you design a mascot, logo, or characters in CorelDRAW or any graphic software, one of the most exciting capabilities today is bringing your static vector illustration to life with continuous 3D animation. In the past, animating a 2D vector character meant hours of manual rigging or dealing with short, glitchy AI clips. But today, ByteDance's brand new Dreamina Seedance 2.5 has officially launched globally first on Dreamina, making it possible to turn our 2D character design into continuous 30 seconds animated video in a single pass. You can test it out completely free using the link at the top of the description, or drop a comment saying Dreamina and I'll send you a direct link to your inbox. So here's the workflow. First, inside CorelDRAW, we select our vector mascot and export it as a clean, transparent PNG. To make structuring prompts easy for my subscribers, I built a free companion prompt generator on my website, which I've linked in the description below. Instead of writing complex prompts tokens from scratch, you can simply load a preset. It automatically breaks down our video into storyboard sequences like an awakening hook, a meadow walk cycle, a mid-air spin, and a hero landing. Then we hit copy prompt, and now let's jump straight to Dreamina to generate the video. Now on Dreamina, we head into the AI video generator. We drop our CorelDRAW wizard PNG straight into the reference box. Here is the key settings. From the drop-down menu, select Omni-reference. This tells Seedance 2.5 to anchor the character's facial features, like hat, wrench, and color scheme directly to the vector artwork across the entire video. We paste our prompt, set our duration to 30 seconds, and hit generate. Look at the consistency across the entire 30 seconds generation. Standard video models often distort characters, faces, or loose props, but Seedance 2.5 maintain our wizard's exact hat, beard, and red wrench from CorelDRAW vector file in a rich 3D Pixar style. Now let's look at the output of Dreamina. Let's watch the video. Notice how fluid the motion is, smooth locomotion, secondary beard and cape physics, and zero facial morphing across the full 30 seconds. It transforms a 2D vector file into a production-grade animated clip. Pricing for Seedance 2.5 starts just 9.7 cents per second, with 40% off yearly subscriptions, plus an extra 32% discount for Seedance 2.5. If you're running Seedance 2.0, that starts at just 6.6 cents per second. Click the link right at the top of the description to try Dreamina Seedance 2.5 for free. Check out the companion prompt tool on my website. Drop your questions in the comments and I will see you in the next tutorial.